Coral, a sublime substance. Discovered on Rubicon, a planet on the frontier of developed space. For a time, coral was a revolutionary energy resource and data conduit.
Main system, activating combat mode.
Commence mission. We've got a read on the target. Now's the time, 621. Mission. We'll start by clearing the way for Artemis. Take out the Gatling cannons protecting the city, and the Baus Tetrapod MT further in. There's heavy fire coming from the top. 621, keep an eye out for cover.
You'll never climb the wall, Corporation Dog! Coral, abide with Rubicon! Repair kits remaining.
prepared for close quarters combat. Do you read me? This is V4 Rusty. You're fast. Guess you're sharper than they'd say. I'll have to step up my own game. Numbered Vesper is elite. But remember, even Balaam couldn't crack the wall. Don't count on him too much.
Enemy attack! Use that backup! We're taking too much fire! Left shoulder and right shoulder ammunition ammo.
Balaam's moving in on the Gallia Dam complex, one of the Liberation Front's bases. The objective is to destroy their lifeline and make those sacks of shit beg for mercy. I'll be sending 2 good-for-nothing maggots from the Red Guns, Gun 4 Volta and Gun 5 Iguazu. You're just gonna be tagging along on ass-wiping duty. I'm assigning you the call sign Gun 13, a lucky little number that just became available. Gun 13, sound off! Good enough. Now go get ready! We're going on a field trip, kiddo! Gun 13, huh? I'll stick with 621. Don't let the Red Guns teach you bad manners.
Main system activating combat mode.
Balaam Group AC Squad Red Guns reporting for duty. Commence mission. Attack! Get in there, you maggots!
Great. Independent merge. It was the wise guy who decided the Red Guns should be taking care of some freelancer.
Who gives a shit? Handle this mission themselves. One target destroyed.
Hey, freelancer. I know who told you why we're here. Well, us real Red Guns are gonna go climb the wall. This is just target practice. When we're done, the locals will base is next.
Can't take yourself away from chatting on tag-along. Why don't you start a sewing club together and stitch that damn mouth of yours shut? Two targets destroyed. How about that? Guess you're not a total NFG. Good for. Can't say I considered you a pro either. We don't need backseat drivers in the Red Guns. Shape up or ship out. That takes care of the frontline MTs. That was just a warm-up. Look alive, maggots! 2 generators to go. Keep moving, 621. Hope you're enjoying the field trip, kids. Don't wet your pants now.
Does this guy ever shut up?
Gun 5. No luck with the sewing club, I see. That attitude won't get you far on Rubicon, but
Artemis.